Hi, I am Mrs. Cornelieta Magnaita Jr., also known as Mrs. Cornelieta Magnaita in the first. I could feel feelings is being removed. It is such as putting it on long. Why? My thinking process is panaginip. I don't know. I don't know. I just feel it. And then the right eye saying dove, dove. I don't know. Since I am videoing myself, love life ko, Alex ko. Since I am videoing myself, talk ko na ang aking structure file. This is tada! I will show my farm structure. So, happy. So, other person has ambition as well. Myself has as well ambition. So, during year 2019, during year 2019, I tend to draw about farm because of I am thinking about business. So when I say I am thinking about business, it is ideal. You need to say thinking about uh, business structure. At the moment I talk, the person that is but person talking on my throat. They is intrigued, they is envious, and then they not want me to have a business because of they is crab mentality. So I will show now. Hi, how could I show it? How could I show this? I am on front camera. Ganyan. I will now show my farm. Wait, that is the look of my farm. That is my drawing. It is a drawing, and then I will talk about it. So it is 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Never ka, Alex ko. I need to show it because of I want to show my ambition. Ambition, English word, and Tagalog word, pangarap. So when it comes into pangarap or ambition, sometimes it is happening and sometimes it is not happening. That is why on every ambition that I have, I tend to draw it, and then I am focused, serious, and then on what I like in life. So that is the look of my farm. So I will create of another camera video. It is 4 minutes and 48 seconds.